How to replace feed bed insulation in the Lisa Pro. Hello! Today we will show you how to replace the feed bed insulation in Lisa Pro printer. Here is the list what we need. Center-it Lisa Pro feed bed sealing kit, 2mm hex key, rubber gloves, stainless steel probe, plastic spatula. Let's begin. Turn on the printer and open the lid. Important: turn off the printer and take the power cable off before proceeding any further. Take your hex screwdriver and remove 4 bolts that hold the feed bed's plate. Lift up the plate a little using the stainless steel probe and remove the plate. Use the stainless steel probe to remove the old insulation from the feed bed. There are 2 layers while installing the new feed bed insulation. The first layer consists of 4 shorter fiberglass ropes, and the second one with a longer rope. When you remove the old insulation, prepare 4 fiberglass ropes for the first insulation layer and insert them as it is shown, one after another. Press every single one using the plastic spatula. Insert the second layer of the insulation. Note that the 2 endings of the fiberglass rope should meet on the side of the printer with the hinges. Insert the ropes into the gap using your fingers, and then press them using plastic spatula. Reinstall the feed bed's plate. Good job! You have replaced feed bed's insulation successfully. To learn more about Center-It's products, visit our support page on centerit.com or send a form.